Namaskara, I am Omkar Havaldar. I am really excited to share my new saurmandal design with all of you today, which is crafted by Rajat Sitar Maker from Miraj. Usually we need this keyed spanner to tune the saurmandal, but not anymore. With my new saurmandal design, every single string comes with its own tuning keys. So it is very easy to tune, and it's a lot quicker to tune the instrument. There are two variants in this saurmandal: the 24 strings and the 16 string saurmandal. This is tuned to Rag Yaman. Let me give you a small demonstration of how quickly and easily we can tune, especially in a concert scenario. So that's how quickly we can change ragas on this saurmandal from Yaman to Bhairavi. Yaman having all the Shuddha Swaras and Bhairavi having all the Komal Swaras.